welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I will draft this beautiful elegant tied gathered dress. I love the flare and how it accentuates the waist. I also love the placement of all the gathering sections, such a flattering and feminine design. I would love to make this dress, but I'm far away from my sewing machine right now. But in this video I will just walk you through how to draft the pattern from scratch. Now you need your materials, you need your drafting materials, and also you need your basic fitted dress block pattern. First, I want to extend the sleeve to make it more like a cap sleeve. So I will extend the sleeve by 3 inches, then gently connect the extended back into the original armhole. Next, I marked my underbust line, which helps define the curve midsection. I also marked the bust point, that is the bust distance, because there is a dot at the bust. Now I created a regular dot, just your basic dot, but I extended it all the way down to the mid-level. Also remember that I'm working with a quarter measurement, but my pattern paper is unfolded, so I can later open it up and see the full front section. From the hip downward, I drew an A-line shape to add fullness and allow for gathering. After completing the structural adjustments, I cut out the pattern pieces so I can work on the midsection more clearly. I open the pattern so I can transfer my dot and lines to the other side. From the underbust, I marked upwards half an inch to create that high inward curve, and then I connect this point smoothly down to the waist. From the hip area, I slant downward about an inch and draw a curved line going towards the center front, approximately 5 to 7 inches long, so you can eyeball that part. On the seam side, I went 3 inches down and connected it with the previous line to create the curve of the mid panel. Once I have drafted everything, I erased all the unnecessary lines to clean up the pattern. Then I created slash lines on the top and skirt section to help add volume for the gathering. I cut out all the pattern pieces, then slash and spread along those lines to create the final pattern shape. And that is it. This is how I will draft the pattern for this elegant tiered gathered dress. I hope this illustration helps you visualize how to create your own version. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more sewing tutorials and pattern making guide. See you in the next one. Bye.